Phoenix membrane oil purifier and heater, permanent installation, startup and shutdown instructions. Important note: do not energize the heater without confirming oil flow through the system. Failure to do so may result in coking and burning of the oil. Follow these instructions exactly. Startup procedure. Step 1. System preparation. Before applying power to the skid, ensure both the Phoenix power switch and heater power switch are in the off position. Verify that the three-way heater valve is in the horizontal position as shown. Next, open all inlet and outlet valves to the skid. Step 2. Establish oil flow. Energize the Phoenix membrane oil purifier. Next, wait for oil to fill the spinning sight indicator and for the spinner to rotate. If the spinner does not move within a few minutes, shut down the Phoenix and check for any oil flow restrictions. Step 3. Adjust oil flow for heating. Once oil flow is established, turn the three-way heater valve to the fully vertical position. The flow meter should increase from 0 to 4 gallons per minute. Next, turn the valve back slightly to the horizontal position as shown until the flow rate decreases by 0.1 to 0.2 gallons per minute. This adjustment diverts a small portion of oil back to the oil reservoir. Step 4. Energize the heater. Turn the heater power switch. It should illuminate when powered. If the switch does not illuminate, turn it off and investigate before proceeding. Step 5. Monitor temperature. Observe the temperature gauge at the heater outlet. The temperature should gradually increase to the factory set point of 120 degrees Fahrenheit within 10 to 20 minutes. If there is no temperature increase, shut down the heater and check if it is properly energized. If the temperature rises but does not reach 120 degrees Fahrenheit, adjust the three-way valve slightly more towards the vertical to reduce flow from the reservoir. Step 6. Verify vacuum pressure. Inspect the vacuum gauge on the Phoenix. The factory setting should read 27 inches of mercury. If necessary, the vacuum can be adjusted using the vacuum adjustment valve as shown. However, do not close the valve completely. Keep it at least 1/4 turn open to allow sweep air for water removal. Step 7. Regular monitoring. Continuously monitor oil flow, temperature, and vacuum levels during operation. Shutdown procedure. Step 1. Turn off the heater. De-energize the heater by switching off the heater power switch. Step 2. Reset the three-way heater valve. Turn the three-way heater valve back to the fully horizontal position. Step 3. Allow oil temperature to normalize. Monitor the oil temperature. It should return to normal within 10 to 20 minutes. Step 4. Turn off the Phoenix. De-energize the Phoenix membrane oil purifier to complete shutdown.